Hey, it's John Castillo here again with Car Care Wednesday with Moran Family of Brands. Got a great episode for you, so stick around. We're going to show you some good car care tips. Going to be stumbly-lumbly there, but hey, this is fun. So grab yourself something cold, sit down, and we'll be right back.
Hey John, how you doing today?
How are you?
Doing good. So I've been watching your Car Care Wednesday videos, and I brought you a new one. Filters.
All right, I see we got two filters here. One's an engine air filter, and it says here premium cabin air filter or pollen air filter. There's several words for it, but I think what we'll do, we'll start with the cabin air filter first.
Yeah, I was hoping you'd show me.
Well, I'll show you. Actually, you're going to do the work, and yeah, I'll show you.
Okay.
The cabin air filter is below the glove box, but not always in most vehicles. There is a slot that the top of that cover goes into, and it can be tricky. It may take a little finagling, but it can be done. All right, you ready there?
Yep.
Take your torque screwdriver. It's a 20-bit, and she's going to... There you go. She's going to remove that screw. And once that screw is removed, then you can go ahead and pinch the two tabs and pull straight down on your cover. Go. And she's going to squeeze the tabs in, out and down. There we go. Oh, look at that. All right, just go ahead and just grab a hold of it and start pulling it out of there. Boy, does that look lovely.
Wow. Are those leaves?
Yes, they are. Look at them all. Hey, there's a spider cocoon too. There you go. Yes, those are all leaves in there. They do get trapped along with all the dirt and road debris and everything else.
I just thought it was going to be dust and dirt.
A little more than that.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. All right, let's get the new one and get it installed. We're going to show you the importance of changing your cabin air filter at the recommended intervals that you'll find in your owner's manual. So it's kind of obvious which one is the old one. One is nice and clean and new. This one here, as you can see, just captured everything. If I open that up, you can see all the bits and pieces and leaves, things like that. All that's been filtered out, so you get some nice clean air in your cabin there when you run your air conditioning and your heat in the winter time. So again, another few things is to note there is an airflow, kind of like your furnace filter in your home. So you want to make sure that the arrow is in the direction of your airflow. So being that this was installed with this foam edge facing the engine compartment, your airflow will be going into the cabin. So on your new filter, it'll have the same arrow, but being it's aftermarket, it does not have the strip, which is fine. So you want to make sure that your airflow is facing into the cabin. And for ease of installation, as Brittany will show us, you can give it the pinch to get it slid up into the air box. Let's get back to Brittany and get this installed. All right, I gave her a can of aerosol spray, can of air spray to blow that all out of there. Let's see what she gets.
Oh, I blew all the leaves.
Look at all the debris in there. There we go. Look at that. Looks like you got it all out there, darling. Okay. Sorry you'll have to vacuum your car out later on, but it's better. All right. Did you note which way the airflow goes?
Yep.
All right. And you're doing the pinch there? All right. She's going to go ahead and stuff it back in the cavity that it came out of. Oh, perfect. All right. Now the top, you got to remember the top that has to slide up in there and then snap into place. Okay, now she's got her cover in place. Let's get that screw back in the kick panel. If you get it started with your fingers a few turns, then you could use the screwdriver. In fact, turn it in as far as you can, and then do the screwdriver. Look at that. So the best thing you can do before you attempt this would be to consult your owner's manual or stop in at your local parts store and they could give you an idea or a printout or something that shows you where your cabin air filter would be. Okay. All right, now we got our cabin air filter changed out. Let's see if she can tell us where the engine air filter is at. Where's the location? Show me. Come on.
I'm going to say it's right here.
That is correct. And there's 4 bolts that you need to remove. Those there, one back there, and there you go. Well, go ahead and let's grab your wrench. You've got your speed handle, as we call it, with the 8mm socket, and the purpose of it being long is so that you can get back to that corner bolt down in the bottom there. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and just start spinning the 4 bolts loose, and then we'll remove the cover and change it. There you go. Well, it's out. You can hear it clicking.
Okay, great.
It's just hasn't been off in so long.
Maybe ever.
And there you have it. Just go ahead and pull the backside, lift on the with your right hand, pull up on it. There you go. That's it.
Okay.
See that? That's how you pull it out. It doesn't look too bad.
It really doesn't.
All right. To give you a bird's eye view of why you should be changing your engine air filter, as you can obviously see, it doesn't seem that the old one is that filthy, but the trick to finding out is take your light or a flashlight, whatever you have handy, poke it up inside there and look to see, and you can barely see any light through there, if any at all. So that means it's pretty well clogged up. Now, grab your new one, same thing, and look how bright you can see pretty much light through the whole thing. So let's say that. So that'll give you a good indication that your filter does need to be changed. All right, let's reverse the procedure. Opening goes in towards the throttle body. That's it. Look at that.
Nice and snug.
There you go. Go ahead and place your cover back on.
All right. Gonna line up the hole.
Oh, they'll line up all by themselves.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Much easier to get on than off.
Put that one back where you found it.
All right. Okay. Make sure I was going righty-tighty.
Oh.
There we go. Oh, don't want to over-tighten it, I'm assuming.
Well, being that the screws are self-tapping and it's plastic, you'll strip the plastic and the cover won't sit tight. So then you'll end up with air leaks, unmetered air leaks.
You want to check, make sure?
No,
Got them in there good?
they're in.
They're in. Yep.
Okay.
So today I learned a lot changing the filters on my car. First, I learned that leaves, dirt, dust, spiders can get into your cabin air filter. I definitely should have been checking that. It was definitely time. Easy to do. I'd probably say like a 4 on a scale of 10 for the cabin air filter. That's the air that comes into your car. You know, everything that's out on the road, all the other fuel, dust, dirt, you don't want to be breathing that in. So you want to make sure that filter's clean so that way when you turn your air conditioner or your heat, you're getting good, clean air inside your vehicle. Second was the engine filter. Pretty straightforward too. You take the filter out, you put the new one in. Don't be afraid to get in there. That one I thought was actually a little harder, but not much more. Just got to be a little more straightforward. The benefits of changing your engine filter is that, like the inside of your vehicle, your engine needs to breathe. You don't want all that dirt, leaves, and dust getting inside your engine. And also it helps get you better fuel economy. So make sure you change your filters for your car to breathe and for you to breathe cleaner. If you have questions about changing your air filter or need assistance, you can always reach out to one of our Moran family of brands, Mr. Transmission, Milex, Dr. Nix, or Multi-State. They're always happy to help. Thank you, John, for helping me today, Moran, and thanks for letting me be a part of Car Care Wednesday. Yay!
Hey, it was great. Had a fun time. I hope you did. I hope you learned something here with Car Care Wednesday. And well, finish it up. Go ahead.
We had a lot of fun
There you
today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as John did. It got a little spooky in there.
Yes, it did. So, again, we had a great time. We'll see you later. Got any comments, suggestions, or like to see anything, see the information below. Contact us, let us know if there's something you'd like to see in the near future. Or if you just want to give us a chat, hit us up on all our social media apps. Thanks for watching Car Care Wednesday with Moran Family of Brands. I'm John Castillo. We'll see you next time.
Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, our Mr. Transmission. We show the videos there too. Thanks, everybody.